A box of new puppets arrived this week, so that's a great opportunity to make a video about how I start with a puppet. What are the first things I do with it? My name is Helen and I'm a hand puppet coach. I help you to get started with a puppet in your class and keep you playing with tips and ideas. In my videos I often use puppets of the brand Living Puppets. I'm a big fan of them. Their puppets are awesome. Friendly, soft, well made, very well playable, and they look great. I love them. They make me and the children I work with smile. Let's take a look at this one. The yellow chick in the egg. Isn't he adorable? Living Puppets call him Piri. I can live with that name. I think it's a Piri. The first thing I want to discover is how do I hold him? Where can I put my hand in? And what can I play? For example, can I play with his wings or not? And what can I do with the egg? And who is Piri? Is it a curious chick, or a scared one, or a very busy chick? What does he do when he sits on my hand? Where does he want to go to? So Piri, show me who you are. When I first meet a puppet, I am guided by the associations it evokes in me. I am mainly researching, and after that I will experiment with his voice, his use of language and what he has to say. But that's something for another video. I'll put a link to the Living Puppets website below this video and made a playlist with different puppets and how to hold them. You can find it here. Subscribe if you didn't do it yet. Press the bell and you will be noticed when the next video is online. Thanks for watching, and remember, a puppet is a tool, not a toy. Bye!